already decided to pursue ACCA, half the work is done. You've already researched about the program, you know the duration it takes, you know how many exemptions you are getting, if any, you know how many papers to give, what will be the quarters that you give. All these things are already covered for you, and now you're just planning your finances and planning how can you smoothly go about with registering yourself with the ACCA. If any of these things are not already clear for you and you've come to this video looking for clarity on the same, then we have dedicated videos completely covering ACCA as a course, how much time it takes for various kinds of students at different parts of their academic careers, and many other such videos in our ACCA playlist here at Zell Education. On this channel, we make a lot of such educational videos covering a range of topics for courses like ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA, for which we provide training here at Zell. In this video, guys, we'll be talking about the various fees that you would have to pay if you're going for exemptions coming from a CA background or already having graduated. We'll be talking about how much this normally would cost you and compare it with how much it would cost you if you were doing it through Zell. So, when we talk about fees when it comes to ACCA, there are four main components. The first component, which is the training fee, differs from institute to institute and training provider to provider, and this is something, of course, which varies if you choose to get training in the first place or go with a more self-paced route. The other three components which are payable to the ACCA are more or less the same and are applicable to every student. These components include the registration fee, the subscription fee, and the exam fee. In this video, we'll be talking about what it takes for you to get started with your ACCA journey, which is essentially the registration fee and the subscription fee. So guys, when we talk about the registration fee is essentially £30, which is completely waived off if you come through Zell Education and take training for more than 3 papers. This is because we are platinum approved learning partners and something that enables you to get registered for free of cost. Next, we have the subscription fee. Now, this is a yearly fee that we have to pay to show to the ACCA that yes, we are active students and we are giving our exams year on year, and to let our status be as an active student. This fee for the year of 2022 is set at £116, and again, if you come through Zell Education, then this fee is reduced to 50% for the first year only. Further, like I mentioned, there are exam fees. These exam fees are available for every paper in every level on the ACCA website, which is put in the video's description. Please make a note that all these fees, the ones that I've mentioned so far, which is the registration fee, the subscription fee, and the exam fee, are all subject to change at the discretion of ACCA body. So year on year, these fees are revised, and especially the exam fees are often very diverse, ranging from knowledge level, skill level, and professional level. Moving further, guys, there's another component which only applies to some of you guys. This is known as exemption fees. Now, ACCA understands that you might have certain knowledge that you don't need to repeat by studying the same in ACCA, and hence you get certain exemptions, which means these papers are not to be given by you again for the ACCA exams. Starting with your BCom. If you've done your BCom, guys, essentially you get 4 exemptions out of your 13 papers. If you were to apply for these exemptions on your own, then it would cost you about £378. If you do the same through Zell Education, then it would cost you about £60. Next, let's talk about IPCC or CA Intermediate. If you've done your CA Intermediate, then you get about 6 to 7 exemptions depending on how you've performed on your CA Intermediate. Of course, if you've cleared your whole CA Intermediate and your bachelor's, then you get 7 exemptions. This costs you about £489, but once again, if you do the registration through Zell Education, then it would cost you only £50 total. Finally, if you're coming through your CA, which means you've completed your CA final and you're now looking to start with your ACCA journey, then that would cost you about £933 to get 9 exemptions of ACCA. But if you do the same registration to Zell, then this would cost you £180. All these fee waivers are possible for Zell to pass on to you because we are platinum approved learning partners in our association with ACCA. Another quick note here for any of our Delhi students belonging to the Delhi University. If you graduated from Delhi University, then all of these costs are completely waived off for you because there's a special association that Delhi University has with ACCA. So guys, I hope all this covers a key part in your ACCA decision making journey, which is just how much finance is required to start with your ACCA journey and the regular fees that you're looking at. If there are any other doubts that you guys have and want to run it by us, please feel free to reach out to us, and you can leave your doubts in the comment section below so that we can promptly answer them and help you guys. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so that every other ACCA video that might benefit you reaches you in due time and you benefit from the same. Thank you.